Once upon a time, there was a magical unicorn who wanted to appear on a piece of paper, but first we had to help draw it. We started with a big round head. "Hello," said the unicorn happily as its head appeared. Then we added 2 little ears on top so it could hear the birds singing. Between the ears, we drew a shiny horn. "That's my magical horn," the unicorn said proudly. Next, we drew a small eye and a cute smile. The unicorn looked very friendly. Then we added wavy hair on its head and neck. "My mane is soft and colorful," the unicorn giggled. After that, we drew a big round body. The unicorn loved snacks, so it had a nice chubby tummy. Then we added 4 short legs so it could walk and play in the meadow. But something was missing. Of course, the tail. We drew a fluffy tail that swished from side to side. Finally, it was time for colors. The unicorn got a golden horn and a beautiful mane with pink, blue, and purple colors. "Thank you for drawing me," said the unicorn. "Now I can live on your paper and go on magical adventures with you." And if you want, you can draw more magical animals and create your own stories. Please subscribe.